And as I push the power button on my camera, it starts to rain again. So we got a rainbow. Alright, well, we got the 3D Mustang out again. Can't get enough of this bird lately. Wind is so-so, it's not that bad. Rain kind of sucks, but it's clear there, so you think it's going to be stop in a second. Oh well. This thing's a riot. Oh, that rain's getting harder. Oh, I got a prop on here off of Park Zone Trojan right now because they didn't have a 10x5 in stock at the hobby shop. Oh, that was close. Oh, we got a full rainbow. It's double rainbow right there. Wow. And right there, and one in the middle. 2 full rainbows. Wow. Well, it did rain pretty hard for a minute there. Where is it going so much to the one side? There we go, back to normal. Coast by. Yeah, it's starting to rain hard again. Whoa. Okay. That was quite interesting. Motor came off. Right in the muck. You think we can find the motor quickly? Plain, no motor. Everything worked. And here's the motor. I guess my gluing job didn't work. Ooh, she got hot. Yeah, this propeller's the wrong propeller. Oh well. We'll figure it out. Alright, thanks for watching.